Eating grapes daily, a natural boost for muscle health. Eating grapes daily, a natural boost for muscle health. Muscle health is a crucial component of overall well-being, influencing strength, mobility, and longevity. While regular exercise and adequate protein intake have long been recognized as essential for muscle maintenance, recent research suggests that dietary choices alone can have a profound impact on muscle function. A study conducted by Western New England University, WNE, has introduced an unexpected player in the realm of muscle health: grapes. The findings indicate that consuming grapes daily can influence muscle gene expression, potentially enhancing strength and resilience. This research sheds light on the powerful effects that natural foods can have on the body at a genetic level. Given the widespread issue of age-related muscle loss, the potential of grapes to support muscle function presents a promising development in nutritional science. Nutritional power of grapes. Grapes are one of the most widely consumed fruits globally, with approximately 30 million tons eaten annually. While they are known for their delicious taste, their health benefits extend far beyond simple nutrition. Scientific studies have demonstrated that grapes contribute positively to various aspects of health, including cardiovascular function, kidney health, and skin vitality. They are also rich in compounds that support eye health by protecting against oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to vision decline. Furthermore, grapes play a vital role in promoting digestive health by fostering a balanced gut microbiome. With their extensive health benefits, grapes are more than just a sweet treat. They are a natural source of essential compounds that support overall well-being. The genetic impact of grapes on muscle health. Recent research has revealed that daily grape consumption can significantly alter muscle gene expression. Interestingly, the effects were found to be more pronounced in females, bringing male and female muscle characteristics closer together at a metabolic level. The study identified an increase in genes associated with lean muscle mass, while genes linked to muscle degeneration showed a decline. This suggests that grapes may contribute to improved muscle function, potentially offering a new way to combat age-related muscle loss, a condition that affects between 10% and 16% of elderly individuals. Dr. John Pizzuto, the study's senior investigator and dean of pharmacy and health sciences at Western New England University, highlighted the significance of these findings. This research provides strong evidence that grapes have the potential to enhance muscle health at the genetic level, said Dr. Pizzuto. Given their safety and availability, it will be fascinating to explore how quickly these changes can be observed in human studies. How do grapes influence muscle health? The field of nutrigenomics explores the impact of diet on gene expression and how genetic variation influences dietary responses. The researchers examined how consuming 2 servings of grapes per day affected genetic expression patterns within muscle tissue. One of the most intriguing findings was that the typical differences between male and female muscle characteristics were minimized when grapes were incorporated into the diet. This suggests that grapes may influence metabolic pathways in a way that promotes muscle function across genders. Although the DNA of individuals does not vary significantly, gene expression, also known as the phenotype, plays a crucial role in how the body functions. The study revealed that grape consumption altered phenotypic gene expression in muscle tissue, with particularly notable effects in females. Moreover, genes linked to beneficial muscle traits such as lean muscle mass showed an increase, while those associated with muscle deterioration exhibited a decline. This evidence further supports the idea that grapes could play a role in maintaining muscle health as individuals age. Future research and potential applications. The researchers plan to continue their investigations to better understand the specific biological processes responsible for these genetic changes in muscle function. Additionally, they aim to determine how quickly these changes can take effect following consistent grape consumption. By identifying the precise mechanisms involved, scientists will be able to assess the broader impact of grapes on muscle health and determine whether these effects vary across different populations. As nutrigenomics advances, this study represents a significant step toward developing new dietary strategies for preserving muscle strength and preventing age-related decline. If future research supports these findings, incorporating grapes into a daily diet could become a simple and accessible way to enhance muscle function across all age groups. This study highlights the broader potential of natural foods to influence the body at a genetic level. As research continues, the role of everyday foods in promoting health and longevity may become an increasingly important aspect of dietary science. The findings of this study have been published in the journal Foods. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay informed with Healscape BDS.